Camera enthusiasts have been buzzing with excitement about the upcoming Panasonic S1R Mark II, the highly anticipated successor to the well-regarded Panasonic Lumix S1R. This new model is expected to offer significant improvements and innovations over its predecessor, which has already been a favorite among photographers for its impressive image quality and robust feature set. However, recent rumors suggest that the release of the Panasonic S1R Mark II might be postponed until next year, a delay that has taken many by surprise since it was initially expected to debut sooner. This unexpected news has left many in the photography community wondering about the reasons behind the delay. In this video, we will delve into the possible causes for Panasonic taking longer than anticipated to release the S1R Mark II. We'll explore what challenges the company might be facing in the development process, and how this delay could impact photographers who are eagerly waiting to upgrade their gear. So without further ado, let's dive into the details of the rumored specifications and explore the potential reasons behind this delay. Based on the available information and comparisons to the Leica SL3, which shares some technological DNA with Panasonic's cameras, the Panasonic S1R Mark II is rumored to feature a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor capable of 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. This would represent a substantial upgrade in resolution and video capabilities, positioning the S1R Mark II as a formidable competitor in the high-end camera market. Additionally, it's expected to include a dual-base ISO for enhanced low-light performance, catering to photographers who often shoot in challenging lighting conditions. The camera is also rumored to feature a dual memory card slot configuration, with one CF Express Type B slot and one SD card slot, offering flexibility and high-speed data transfer options. Another significant upgrade anticipated in the S1R Mark II is Panasonic's version of Phase Detect autofocus, which is expected to be more advanced than the system used in the Leica SL3. This would likely provide faster and more accurate focusing, especially in continuous shooting and video recording scenarios. Furthermore, the camera is expected to come with Panasonic's proprietary in-body image stabilization system, which has been well regarded in previous models, and their latest generation image processor, promising improved image quality and faster processing speeds. While rumors suggest that the S1R Mark II might enhance burst shooting capabilities beyond what is offered by the Leica SL3, it remains uncertain whether Panasonic will adopt Leica's triple-resolution shooting mode, 60.3 megapixels, 36.4 megapixels, 18.5 megapixels, or opt for a different approach. As these specifications are based on rumors and comparisons, the final product may differ, with Panasonic potentially introducing additional features to differentiate the S1R Mark II in the competitive market. Developing a high-end camera like the S1R Mark II involves extensive research and development, and Panasonic may be facing unforeseen technical challenges. One possible issue could be heat management for 8K video recording, as higher resolutions and frame rates generate more heat, requiring efficient cooling solutions. Optimizing the performance of the new sensor and integrating advanced AI-driven features could also present technical hurdles that need to be addressed. Additionally, the company may be conducting extensive field testing to ensure the camera meets the high standards expected by professional photographers and videographers. This thorough development process, while time-consuming, is crucial for delivering a polished and reliable product that stands up to real-world use. Another factor that might be influencing the development timeline of the S1R Mark II is Panasonic's long-standing partnership with Leica. This collaboration, which began in 2001, has seen the two companies sharing technology and sometimes even releasing rebranded versions of each other's cameras. For example, the Leica SL2 was essentially a rebranded version of the Panasonic S1R. Traditionally, Panasonic has been the first to market with new camera models, with Leica following suit. However, this pattern seems to have been reversed with the current generation. The Leica SL3, which is believed to share core technology with the upcoming S1R Mark II, has already been released. This shift in the release order might be due to a reported agreement granting Leica timed exclusivity over the new camera technology for this generation, While this partnership has undoubtedly benefited both companies in the past, it may now be contributing to the delay of the S1R Mark II. Panasonic might be obligated to wait until Leica's exclusivity period ends before launching their version of the camera. The delay of the Panasonic S1R Mark II appears to be the result of several interrelated factors, including technical challenges, strategic decisions stemming from the company's long-standing partnership with Leica, and a deliberate effort to maintain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving camera market. On the technical front, Panasonic may be encountering difficulties related to the development of new features or enhancements, such as advanced autofocus systems, high-resolution sensors, or efficient heat management for 8K video recording. These components are complex and require significant research and development to ensure they meet the rigorous demands of professional photographers and videographers. Overcoming these technical hurdles is crucial for delivering a product that not only meets but exceeds user expectations in terms of performance and reliability. In addition to technical challenges, the partnership with Leica has historically influenced the release schedules of both companies' products. It is possible that Panasonic is adhering to an agreement that gives Leica a period of exclusivity with new technology, which could be contributing to the delay. This partnership, while beneficial in terms of shared technology and expertise, may also necessitate a more cautious and coordinated approach to product launches. This ensures that both companies can maximize their market presence and avoid direct competition with each other's offerings. Furthermore, Panasonic's delay in releasing the S1R Mark II could also reflect a strategic decision to carefully position the camera in a highly competitive market. The camera industry is characterized by rapid advancements and frequent releases, and Panasonic may be taking extra time to ensure that the S1R Mark II stands out in a crowded field. By refining its features and incorporating the latest innovations, Panasonic aims to deliver a camera that not only meets the current market demands, but also anticipates future trends. This approach could result in a product that remains relevant and competitive for a longer period, providing greater value to photographers and videographers who invest in it. While the delay might be disappointing for photographers who have been eagerly awaiting the new model, it's important to remember that additional development time often leads to a more polished and feature-rich final product. Panasonic's meticulous approach to the S1R Mark II's development could result in a camera that sets new standards in digital imaging, offering groundbreaking features and exceptional performance. As we continue to await official news from Panasonic, the photography community remains hopeful and optimistic that the S1R Mark II will deliver on its promise and justify its later release. The anticipation only adds to the excitement, as photographers look forward to seeing what innovative advancements Panasonic has in store for them with this highly anticipated camera. While this delay might be frustrating for those eagerly anticipating the new Panasonic S1R Mark II, it's important to consider that such a postponement could signify Panasonic's commitment to ensuring this camera exceeds expectations. In the rapidly evolving camera industry, where new models are frequently released with incremental updates, Panasonic may be taking a more deliberate approach to differentiate the S1R Mark II from its competitors. By investing additional time into development, Panasonic could be working on refining key features, optimizing performance, and ironing out any potential issues that could impact the user experience. This careful attention to detail may result in a camera that not only meets but surpasses the needs and desires of photographers and videographers. Furthermore, the delay might be an indication that Panasonic is integrating cutting-edge technology that requires thorough testing and fine-tuning. High-resolution sensors, advanced autofocus systems, and improved image stabilization are all complex components that demand extensive research and development. By taking extra time to perfect these elements, Panasonic is likely aiming to produce a camera that offers superior quality, reliability, and innovation, setting it apart from other models on the market. In addition to technical enhancements, Panasonic might also be focusing on ensuring that the S1R Mark II is future-proof, incorporating features that will remain relevant and competitive for years to come. The company could be exploring new functionalities that push the boundaries of what photographers can achieve, such as enhanced AI-driven modes, better connectivity options, or expanded video capabilities. By delaying the release, Panasonic may be positioning the S1R Mark II as a camera that not only addresses current market demands, but also anticipates future trends and technological advancements. We hope this video has provided some valuable insights into the potential reasons behind the delay of the Panasonic S1R Mark II. While waiting can be challenging, especially for those who are eager to upgrade their equipment, it is often worth the wait when it means receiving a product that has been meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional performance and innovation. As we continue to monitor the situation and await further updates from Panasonic, we encourage you to share your thoughts and opinions on this delay. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us understand the expectations and hopes of the photography community. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more news and reviews on the latest developments in the camera industry. Let us know your thoughts on why you think the Panasonic S1R Mark II is delayed, and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new camera. Thank you for watching, and as for everything else, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this on your feed.